Portia,
And I'm Jay.
and today we're having a Day of Elegance youth event to support our interns that we have had for over 8 weeks now. And
So I did that on purpose. Right? So it's a power in using silence. We operating from a core value called fun loving. I think that it's really important sometimes, even in these small times in taking care of business, that it's all right to have a little fun and kind of joke around. I'm working on one of my clients. His name is Pat. Pat is a longtime client and really cool guy. And by the way, guess what? He's my long distant cousin. Okay, so back to what's taking place here today. We have had an opportunity to get two very special young people that's been interning. They've been learning about personal and professional development, and now they are actually in action on some of the things that they learned. So if you know some young people that's interested in interning and maybe in the beauty industry or maybe somewhere else, give Portia a call, and that number is
313-460-6638. Again, that's 313-460-6638.
Yeah, and always remember, poverty is a conversation, just like wealth is a conversation. The question that you must ask yourself is, what conversation are you in? Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Kalani. I am 14 years old. I am an intern at Jay's Fades. Today we are having a Detroit youth event, and I'll be doing $25 mani-pedis. I attend Harper Woods High School on the east side of Detroit. When I get older, I would like to attend Alabama State University to major in architecture or OBGYN.
Hello again, this is Portia, and we are live at the Day of Elegant youth event here at Jay's Fades on 6 Mile of Illinois. And we have
Jaden.
as one of our youth today. And just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Jaden, and I like to rap. It's like a fun hobby for me.
Cool.
So, Jaden, who are your top favorite rap artists? 5 favorite rap artists.
My favorite one is, my first one is definitely XXXTentacion, Lil Yachty, Trippie Redd, YB and Neymar,
Okay.
and probably Cardi B. Yeah, Cardi B.
Oh, yeah. I like Cardi B, too.
So how long you been rapping?
For about a year. I like practicing and doing it because it's fun. It's fun for me.
RPX,
Again, my name is Kalani.
And I am Portia, and that concludes our youth for today. Thank you.
I'm Dylan.
Bye.
Hello, once again, this is Portia, and I would like to introduce you to our new barber here at Jay's Fades on 6 Mile, Illinois. Introduce yourself.
Hello, everybody. My name is Andre Brinkley. I just became a new member of Jay's Fades, which I am grateful to be a part of. And first off, I'm Andre Brinkley, complete name. You can find me on Instagram, Black Sun, that's Black with an X, and Sun with a U. Innovates, that's on IG.
And we also know that you do jewelry, right? How long have you been doing jewelry?
Yes. So I've been doing jewelry for about 2 years now. So it's actually coming out, and I'm about to get my ID for vending actually. So I'll be able to be anywhere outside, all events pop up and things like that. But I've been doing it for 2 years, so it's pretty legit now.
Oh, check out Andre, y'all. He's a jewel in Detroit.
Hey, y'all. My name is Kalani, and I'm here with...
Davion.
So, Davion, how did you hear about Jay?
My dad told me about him, so we checked him out, and he was good.
How old are you?
16.
Are you getting a service today?
Yep.
Okay. So, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I came down here to go get my hair cut, and I didn't know that there was a lot of this going down here, so we just came to get our hair cut, and we got something to eat before. So,
What school do you go to?
Oxford High School. It's over up north.
Oh, that's nice.
I do homeschool. I do homeschool. Yeah, I go do early college at Macomb, but I also do my high school classes online.
So what grade are you in?
11th. Yep.
That's nice. Well, come on down to Jay's Face on 6 Mile Living Noise.
Hello, we are live here at Jay's Fades here on 6 Mile of Illinois as a part of the Day of Elegance youth event. And we are here with Shania, and she's going to tell you a little bit about herself.
Well, I play piano. I also sing. I do a little acting, and I do a little modeling too. That's it.
Cool. So how long have you been playing the piano?
Since 5.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes.
And how long have you been modeling?
Well, I don't do it for pictures. I just take my own. But I had an interview today for modeling actually.
How did you think you did?
Pretty good.
Cool.
Wow. They're gonna call me tomorrow and see how I did.
Cool. I hope you learned the position.
Thank you.
All right. So that concludes our interview with Shania today. Y'all come on down. We're having an event from 11 to 4. So you're welcome to join in. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chef Yvonne, and today I'm here at Jay's Fades Hair and Nails. We are having a Day of Elegance for our youth today, and what I am featuring is my naked chicken, my bougie tossed salad, which has blackberries, strawberries, feta cheese, and I have strawberry covered cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes, and that's it. You guys come on down. I am Chef Yvonne, Chef Tastic Catering LLC, here at Jay's Fades Hair and Nails.
Hi, I'm Dylan. So I've been an intern here for about 4 weeks now, and today, well, for the last 2 Wednesdays, I went to this vendor event. I don't remember where, but it was pretty cool the first time. But today they have me selling all of these products, hair and body products. You want me to describe them? So I haven't really figured out what this is yet. I'm still working on it. But it's like, I think it's some type of some type of cologne, I guess. But they have women's, men's, and then unisex for both. So yeah. The hair, these are beard and hair oils. It hydrates it, helps it grow, and it nutrient. It have it gives nutrients to your hair. And this pretty much do the same thing. It's just a balm, and also this, but it's a spray. This one is the dropper, and then I have the scented body spray oil. So it's like a scented lotion, pretty much. You're wiping in your skin. And with the shea butter. I have 2 flavors, but I ran out of one of them. Then I have the sponges. Well, everybody pretty much know what they do. So yeah. And I have one more thing. The Natural Crown necklaces. So it represents to the youth, to the Better Detroit youth movement, to keep it going, to keep pretty much to keep it going, keep the system going.